Chukwu. Atiga. Chukwu. Atiga. Chukwu. Atiga. Atiga. Chukwu. Atiga. Chukwu. Atiga. Come to me. Chukwu. Ha. Nọkwa. Keji njakwa. Chukwu. Ha. Nọkwa. Ha. Eji njakwa. Chukwu. Ha. Nọkwa. Ha. Eji njakwa. Atiga. Come to me. Atiga. Come to me. Atiga. Come to me. See the topic. C-S-I. See Akara. A-K-A-R-A. See Akara. Ikagha. Nkwu. They are the topic. C-S-I. Akara. A-K-A-R-A. Then you space. Ika. I-K-A. Ha. G-H-A. Nkwu. N-K-U. N-K-U. C like tell. C Akara. Atiga. Atiga. C like tell. Akara. Akara. Atiga. C Akara. Ika. Ikagha. Nkwu. In Igbo. N-K-U. Nkwu means like a feather. You know the bird. The pigeon, all that fly in the air. They have their wing, and their wing they use to fly. In Igbo, we call them Nkwu. N-K-U. You call them Nkwu. And like the consonant sound, if you say Nkwu, it means feather. If you say Nkwu, they have same spelling. If you say Nkwu, we are talking about wood. But when you say Nkwu, that means feather, the bird in the air, whatever that flies in the air, Nkwu, they used to fly in the air. See Akara, see Akara, Ikagha, Nkwu. Atiga, come to me. Ikagha Nkwu. Like the source of their energy. Evil negativities. They are using against the innocent. All their evil ones, evil negativities. They are going and coming back route. In Igbo, Ojije na onena. Ojije going. Onena going backward, like going back home. Evil ones, evil negativities. Both physical and spiritual, like routes. On their land, on the ocean, under the ocean, in the airspace, on sun, on moon, in all universe, in all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinities, orbit, asteroid, and all their hidden secrets, Ojije and Onena going and coming back routes, and the base where their energy, their the negativities, energies are, the base in their going and coming back routes. They are Ojije and Onena that are making them. They call for peace now. Oh, I'm sorry. You turn your back. They start coming against you, looking for the way to destroy the innocent. They say, I'm sorry. In 1 hour time, they regroup, regroup, equip themselves like the evil ones, hunting the good, good and evil. The evil hunting the good all the time to destroy the good, to destroy the truth. The way and the way they prepare, regroup, motivate themselves, boost their energy, boost their spirit. They come out and start looking for the innocent, to kill the innocent, to assassinate those that are innocent, fighting the world, enemies of the world. All they do, plotting and researching evil, the way they will use, or whatever knowledge they will acquire and destroy everybody. They are like, Atiga, they are like, the process they regroup, ginger their spirit, like gain their energy and come back to attack. They are called them. No, N-O, no, Kwa, K-W-A, no, N-O, Kwa, K-W-A, no kwa, like a spelled in Igbo like G-H-A, like the evil ones, the entities, the evil, no kwa, them. A ginger kwa, like boost their energy, kwa, like K-W-A, kwa, like start giving us war. Chuku, no kwa, a ginger kwa, to destroy all their going and coming back routes, and their energy, their science and technologies, the evil ones against the innocent, against the world, and their energy base, whatever the energy, the base, they acquire that energy that always make them apologize now in disguise and tell the innocent, no more war. Let there be peace. Then you relax that there are peace. They are looking for who to take unaware. Like the evil ones. That's their job. The evil ones possess already, knocked out of reality world, looking for who to destroy. All good countries, nations, USA, and all that support USA built years. All the evil ones, all they are researching the way to penetrate and destroy the innocent. Now they are Odira and Onena, they are going and coming back routes on the land, under the water, in the air, wherever they are, and their satellite, whatever equipment they left there, giving them information to destroy and turn all of them upside down. I use all animals, roosters, hens, tatribita colors, male dog, okenkita, male dogs, okobagu, utinku chicken, 4 he-goats, baby powders, cosmetic soap, tissue napkins, destroy and turn all of them upside down. I destroy them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. To block all of them. I use all animals, roosters, hens, tatribita colors, able ngene green, blocking, biophysical and spiritual walls. Uncountable rabbits. Chuku and Ndotuya, walls, all colors blocking. Biophysical and spiritual giant walls. Block all of them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And the ones in their body, they swallowed, they ate, whatever in their body, eh, in their head, yeah, giving them negative information. They swallow in their body. They insert in their body, in their head, in their mind, any place they are, to cast all of them out. I use all animals, roosters, hens, frogs, goat, agama lizards, owls, grasshoppers, oranges, sugar, pepper soup, 33 uncooked eggs, 33 bitter colas, burning incense, burning sage. Cast all of them out in the north and the south and the east and in the west. And all their ojije and onena going and coming back route. And all their negativities, evil ones, and the evil entities they are summoning against the world. To cover all of them, I use black blanket, aqua OG, black trash bags, afifia, plastic bags, wakere, capture all of them, cover them, put all of them in basket, tie, chain, cover, blind, block, bury, cover all of them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. Prayer and us, and all good human, mad, good human worldwide, come together, and our prayer. And USA, all good countries that support the United States, their forces, NATO, Israel tap in to join, Canada, Ukraine, Taiwan, all mad women that support USA in Nigeria, in Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent, Mexico, Mexicans, Igbos. When I was growing up, I researched a lot and I discovered some Igbos that hate United States. From the same language, we speak, we have our language, but I discovered enemies of USA among Igbos. Then all the good Igbos that support USA, mad human, all worldwide, all countries, family, generation, ancestors, Nkwuaku family that support USA, Akara family that support USA, Meto family, Innocent Okeke in Maryland and their family, working in Maryland that support USA, Okeke Okafor that support USA, their family, all in Umuechete kindred that support USA, all hidden, known and unknown that support USA, tap in to join, and in all religion, cultures, crafts that support USA, that are moving them forward, we come together and pray. We use male cow, female cow, roosters, hens, rams, Ikagha, mother goats, all 33, 22, 33 colonel drinks, all food, all drinks, and prayer. We stand up on all land, on all ocean. We skyrocket to airspace, skyrocket to sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxy, cosmos, solar system, infinities, orbit, asteroid, heaven, earth, all foundation, all countries, science and technologies. We pass. Prayer turn into United States, all states in USA, turn into White House, turn into President Joe Biden and Kamala Harris. Transfer to all hospitals, down to psych ward, recuperative cares, transfer to Serenity recuperative care, in North Chicago Street, here in Los Angeles, California, and transfer to all their sites, all their science and technologies, their staffs. I love them so much. And I started liking their female workers, because person, na man, person, me person, I'm a man. I started liking their female workers, transfer to all. Let's go back to the topic. Transfer to all Serenity recuperative care. Transfer to all police, sheriffs, CIA, Secret Service, FBI, military, Navy, Air Force, Marine, Coast Guard, Border Patrol, Custom, Immigration. Transfer to bouncers, loss prevention. Transfer to all security, Homeland Security, transfer to my Ally Universal Security Company. All their site, all their science and technologies, all their officers, old officers, new officers, future upcoming officers, all their site, all their supervisors, all their field officers, all their patrol, all their rovers, all their officers, transfer to them and continue to move them forward. All my prayer, transfer to Ally Universal Security. And anytime I pray, I mention their name, I didn't mention their name. My prayer transfer to them and transfer to Serenity, the cooperative care. Transfer into all sports, worldwide, male and female. Transfer to UEFA, FIFA. Transfer to Champions League, men and women. Transfer to Premier League. Transfer to Chelsea, FC, men and women. Transfer to LA Chelsea, men and women. Transfer to LA Galaxies, MLS. Transfer into NBA. All the NBA, all my prayer transfer there. Transfer into NBA, transfer to my Los Angeles Lakers. Transfer to LA Clippers, they are playing now. Transfer to NHL, the hockey. Transfer to LA Kings. Transfer into NFL. All my prayer transfer there. Into NFL, there's a foundation, science and technologies. Transfer there. And transfer to Los Angeles Rams. Transfer into MLB, baseball. Transfer to my Los Angeles Dodgers. Yeah, Dodgers, transfer there. Transfer to SoFi Stadium too. In Inglewood, transfer there. All my prayer, transfer there. And transfer to Dignity Health Sports Park, where my Galaxy play, our home. All my prayer, turn in there. Transfer to LAFC. Transfer to Columbus Crew. Tomorrow final. 1 p.m. tomorrow. Saturday. I'm happy they decided to show the game on regular TV. I think they will show the game on FS1. And where I stay, we have the channel FS1. Most of the MLS game they play this season. Most of the game I don't have no. I didn't watch all the games, because the games they moved them to Apple TV, and Apple TV took over all the games, and you must pay. And where I stay, I have no money, and they don't have money too to subscribe for me to watch the game. Apple TV just destroy my happiness. They deny me watching my Lakers, my LA Galaxy. All I do, go on computer, follow LA Galaxy on radio. LA Galaxy on radio in YouTube. I just listen when they play. Stay there. I see no player. I see nothing. I just stay there, listen, follow them up. I'm unhappy. I didn't like it, but I have no issue against anybody. But next season, bring the games to regular TV. Then we that have no money can follow up. I love soccer. I love sports. And the team I'm supporting, I'm praying for them too. And they win, I'm happy too. I got nothing from them, but wishing them well. When I see others moving forward, doing good, others that are ready to move forward, when you pray for them and they are moving forward, and they are doing fine, doing well, there are joy in that. Because heaven rejoices when a sinner, a bad person, banish all the negative ways, and come to good side. There are joy in heaven for that. They are the joy I have. When I'm praying for the team, or praying for a particular person having different kind of issue or disease, next time I see the person recovering, I have joy in me. Transfer to Club America, Mexico. Transfer to Chivas, I think Chivas, Mexico. Transfer to all for free. Transfer into all religion, churches, Hinduism, Buddhism. Transfer to Catholicism, Catholic Church, Pope Francis, Peter VI, and Peter's Basilica. Transfer there. Transfer to Akara, Freemasonries, Masons Worldwide, Ekis, Ikagha, Amok, Rosicrucians, Oboni, all the craft, Wicca, Boy Scout, Girl Scout, transfer to you guys and continue to move forward. I mentioned your name, I didn't mention your name, transfer. We use water, boy, eggs, drinks, all that goes into the body that are good to welcome this spirit, their energy, their power, authorities, manifestation into our body, foundation, science, and technologies, all forward. Sanko FM, Chief Priest, Peter, Odira, Nkwuaku, in Los Angeles, California, USA. Chief Priest World, Chief Priest USA. USA, forward.